So we now have the roof will come back because I've got to go find a texture. Actually, let's have a look. Cloud. Log in. And we're getting there. I do enjoy listening to the podcasts. Plug that in. We've got buildings. We've got a roof. It does have shingles. Do I want shingles? Nobody ever wants shingles, but let's go with this one. Download. So that's downloading. Let's prepare the roof. Let's go Control L. Good. I've already got my roof by myself. Plus new building 2 underscore roof. Open. Yeah. That'll do. Save as. No, set as. Open with. Huh. Oh, I love you, Microsoft. Okay. Downloads. eDrive. Wet paint. Bed. Location. Textures. Right click. Paste. Okay. Roof. Beautiful. Go away. Delightful. Okay. So what we're going to do is Smart UV project. Let's just unwrap it. Building 2 roof. Let's go into UV editing. That is definitely not what I wanted. So what I'm actually going to do is, it didn't unwrap what I wanted. Because that's the top of the roof, I know I'm not going to need that face. Don't need that face. I should have cleared that up. Let's go Control, is it E? Nope. Control E, mark a seam. So now if I go Control L, I've got the roof selected. Smart UV project, okay. Compositing, not compositing, UV editor. Do I have a face under there? I do, look at that. Delete face. 1, 2, 3. Unwrap. Okay, so we know Control L, rotate 180. Now that's a bit of a weird shape. Is that roof not... Jeez Louise, what was I doing? Let's put it kind of more in the middle. Control L, U, unwrap. A little bit better. Control, rotate 180. Control L. We'll bring that in line. Control L. Size Y. Because it's on a bit of a slant. Okay, Control L. Whoops. Select all. G. Now I can go. I haven't opened up that UV, so go back to compositing. Roof. Assign. Image. Image texture, open textures, building roof table. Let's pop over to see what it just looks straight off rendered view. Those are some pretty big shingles. So that means if I go back into editing, if I make this bigger, then that'll look smaller. Good. For some reason, I'm kind of weary about that one. Nope. There we go. That looks fine. And it all seems to line up quite well. I'm fairly happy with that. Right. I haven't done this before. Whoa! 0.1. Nope. 0.1. Minus 0.1. Really? Is it that sensitive? Oh gosh, I'm not doing that. Done. Okay, now let's get on to... Actually, might as well just give that a little bit of depth. Let's do an F12. So that's not too bad. Now, I am going to fix the road here. So the road seems like really, really bland. We'll come back to that one at the end. Okay, next bit. Let's just quickly do this one. Okay. And then with these two, I might not worry about them for now. Actually, no, I do have to worry about that one because that one's in the shot. So what does that look like? So we've got white. It's all white. We've got some yellow things. That's all white. Metal. This is a green thingy up here with metal. So I'll make that. But it's all white. Nothing too flash. Nothing too crash hot. I don't even have the windows there. So it's just going to be white. Let's just fix this one up here. Control L. Compositing. Building 2 pipes. Done. Cool. This one here is going to be just like building 1. Let's make a copy of it. Smart UV project. Done. Bob's your uncle. Let's rename this to building 3. And I'm going to make it even more whiter. These here. No, you don't. Stand back. Control L. Smart UV unwrap. Delightful, new. I do want, where is that gate? No, I don't want gate. I want pipes. And that's fine to me. Assign. F12. So now we've kind of almost textured everything. Windows. Actually, those windows can be changed to something else. Default F3. So I'm going to change the border and the roof color. Let's just do that. And I think I might change this to red as well. So let's go. I don't even have anything there. Okay, so select that. That is all I want. So I'm doing Shift Alt right click just to select that loop. Ooh. interesting. Okay. Let's select them. I do want that. I do want that. Let's add. What the heck? Let's go building 3 plus brown, assign. We're going for a real reddish Tuscany color. Yeah, that looks nice. F12. So I'm kind of not even hoping to see that. Actually, we need to do those black bars. So what's our time? 12 seconds at the moment. Okay, so I moved the camera and we're down to 12 seconds. We started off at 10.2 and now we're at 12 seconds. Cool, not going to complain. The black bars. Let's do this as well while we're here. That one, that one, that one, that one, and that one, that one, that one, and that one. Assign. And let's just select a few of these. Control L, got them all. Control L, got them all. And I'm going to assign them to the pipes. F12. So there we go. We've now quite simply created a scene, textured this half real quickly. How much time we're at? 24 minutes. Let's try and clean up the street. Let's just do this. Why are we here? So I'm going to do something kind of silly. Let's go Control A, W, subdivide, subdivide smooth. Let's go select the tool. Gosh dang it. I'm going to press O, and all I'm going to do is move it around a little bit. Control LP, separate by selection. You are paper. Why do I have... Fair enough. This is my paper. Size. Minus. Minus, minus, minus. So let's just, this is all I'm doing. It's just creating a bit of rubbish. It's kind of big still. Shift D. Shift D. I might even have it actually sitting in the gutter. Shift D Z. And so I'm pretty much just placing stuff. And that's all I'm doing. So now, let's have a look. Where's the camera facing? Rotate Z. So I've got 3 pieces of rubbish just in view. Let's have a look how that turned out. I didn't even give them any texture, but it doesn't matter because they're so small. I don't think that deters much. It is quite black though. So I'm going to get back into the compositor. It's very black. And that's just slightly annoying. F12. So now I've rotated the camera back to where I was roughly. See, that kind of looks a little bit better. I mean, it does look like the bitumen's a part of the road, but looking at that photo, there is kind of... It's a bit weird. It did look like it was all part of the road. But I am going to leave it at that. Let's just go Shift D. G, Shift, oops, G, Shift Z. So it kind of locks it on that axis. Shift Z. Ooh. Ah, that's cool. Shift Z. Oh, go away. Solid. GY. Nobody's picking any rubbish up. Jeez. Come on, people. And then what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to go Shift D Y. Select all. New. Paper 1. It's actually going to be very white. And let's go paper 1 plus paper 12. Sure, no worries if that's what you want. Control L, assign. Control L, Shift D. Rotate Z 180. 180. Assign. So now we've just created a little bit of filler. Let's have a look. This is pretty close to what the original location was. What are we at? Man, just throwing in those little things. So 14.8, so we've added 5 seconds. Not too bad. So I'm going to leave it at that for now. And in the next bit, I don't know, we'll see what happens.